On January 6, 2020, a significant astronomical discovery made headlines. NASA announced that the TESS telescope had found the first potentially habitable exoplanet, TOI 700d. In fact, humans had already discovered several habitable exoplanets during years of observations, but TOI 700d is the closest to Earth, at only 100 light-years away. This signifies that at some point in the future, humans might have a substantial opportunity to relocate to this planet. But how exactly did humans discover it? Let's start with TESS. On April 8, 2018, the TESS telescope was launched into space in the United States. Its primary mission was to search for planets suitable for human habitation within 300 light-years. TESS stands for Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, and it operates on a straightforward principle. When a planet passes in front of a star as it orbits, it blocks a portion of the star's light, causing a drop in the star's brightness. TESS is capable of precisely detecting this phenomenon and deducing some fundamental characteristics of these planets. Each of its cameras has a sensor with a staggering 16.8 million pixels, which can cover a 24-degree field of view and enable comprehensive observations of the entire universe. During its extended 2-year operational period, TESS made significant discoveries. On January 6th, during the 235th meeting of the American Astronomical Society, NASA announced a groundbreaking discovery made with the help of TESS. They found the first potentially habitable planet, located in the constellation of Dorado, approximately 100 light-years away. This planet is one of 3 orbiting the star TOI 700, which is a red dwarf star with a longer lifespan than the Sun. Among these planets, TOI 700b and TOI 700c are composed of rock and gas, respectively, but they are too close to the star for human habitation. TOI 700d, however, is in a more fortunate position. It is located at the outer edge of the habitable zone, a region where conditions could be suitable for human life. Yet, it has a relatively rapid orbit around its star, completing a revolution approximately every 37 Earth days. If humans were to settle on this planet, it would mean experiencing a new year roughly every 37 days. However, due to tidal locking, this planet always has one side in daylight and one side in darkness, which poses significant challenges for human survival. According to scientists, this planet potentially contains a vital ingredient for supporting life: liquid water. With the current fastest human flight speeds, it would take 1.8 million years to reach this planet. This time span is beyond our imagination. Consider this: within just a 100 light-year radius of Earth, we've discovered a habitable planet. Not to mention that in our Milky Way galaxy, which stretches over 100,000 light-years in diameter, we don't even know how many advanced civilizations might exist. Perhaps they, too, are looking at us from the other side of the galaxy, considering Earth as their first choice for immigration. It's essential to remember that at some point, we've stopped caring for many things we once held dear, whether it's our phones, computers, or even love. As we've ascended to the heights of civilization in today's world where the Earth's environment is increasingly deteriorating, our first thought is not to protect it, but to leave it. Don't forget that humanity's success today, the level of civilization we've reached, is all due to this planet silently giving without any complaints. Thousands of years from now, if our descendants ask us where humanity originated, I hope we can proudly say, right here, where it all began.